Hey, kid.
Ow! Who's bad? I'm bad.
Oh man, I just finished this detailing.
Ciao.
Oh my goodness, hello. Hi.
Hey, hi. How you do?
Oh yeah. Who's bad? I'm bad.
And where are you off to?
Hey, that hurt. Hey, get out of my way. Where'd you learn to drive? No, you just go, sweetheart.
Ciao. Look at that. Ciao.
Yeah, go, that hurt.
Sheriff, have you seen Mac?
Oh, bad news, son. He just radioed. He was driving west along the interstate, and somehow a gang of punk kids stole all of your gear from his trailer.
Is he okay?
Sounded a bit shaken up. Probably feels bad about it more than anything.
Oh, good. I'm glad he's all right. Oh no, I need that stuff for my next race.
Crazy, delinquent hot rodders. Wait till I catch him.
That's it. You can mess with me, but you don't mess with my friends.
to.
Ow!
Yeah, wrong way! Ow! Guys, excuse me! Excuse me!
One for the fame.
What do you... Ow! No! What do you think, you're famous?
You need to slow down.
No!
Did you see that thing hit me?
Hey, Pickle! You're an awful car! Hey! Quit! It's combustible! Hey! Hey, what are you doing?
Excuse me? Oh, that hurt. Die!
That's gonna leave a ding!
Woo!
Hey! No one jacks up my decals. Ow! You scratch my plate! Ow! Oh! Ow! Hey!
What is your problem?
Look out! Look out! Oh, flat tire! Flat tire! Flat tire! Duh! Ow! Hey!
Excuse me?
Going the wrong way! Ow! Oh! Watch it, Mr. Winslow!
What in the world?
Hey, Pickle!
Hey! You watch it?
Ka-chow.
Ow! Ow! Hot rodders! Watch where you're going!
What? What?
Ka-chow.
What are you... Ow! Aw, man, you busted my subwoofer! And look at my spoiler! It's cracked!
You're lucky that's all you got to complain about, son. We'll see what Doc Hudson has to say about this.
Hey, it wasn't our idea! Yeah, some car paid us off.
Some car.
Yeah, some green race car. I don't know, he had a mustache.
Ah, chick.
Hey, good day to you, son.
Ka-chow. Ka-chow. Ka-chow.
Hey, how you doing, everybody? Hey, can I get an autograph?
We got a race coming up.
One for the fans.
Oh man, I just finished the detailing.
Ow! Will you watch it?
One for the